Task 1. Commission. The first thing we're being asked to do is to sort the information alphabetically by last name. So I'm going to highlight all of the information, including the headers. I'm going to go to Sort and Filter, and then Custom Sort. I'm going to make sure that my data has headers as ticked, because then it knows that we're basing it off of first name, last name, monthly sales, and commission on sales. We're going to sort by last name, and the order is going to be A to Z. Okay. The next step is to wrap the text in cells C3 and D3. So I'm going to do that first. We can see here that commission has been cut off a little bit. I'm going to click and drag this over very slightly so that it doesn't do that anymore. It's important to make sure that commission is still on top of on sales, because otherwise it's just going to look like I didn't wrap the text at all. Then I'm going to format cells D and E, columns D and D, to currency, and later on we're going to make sure that that's 2 decimal places. Use an appropriate formula in column D using absolute cell reference to calculate the commission for each salesperson. Okay. John is making 6,000 in monthly sales. He's making 15% commission on those sales. So we times them together. If I try to drag this down, you'll see that it doesn't work for the rest of them. And that's because it's dragged it down to 57.60 for Susan, but it's tried to go one under that for one under the 15% for Susan. Then it's tried to go 2 under for Xander, 3 under for Gordon. It's moving down like Excel should. To stop that from happening, we need to do what is called making it absolute. So we're going to start the formula again. Equals 6,000 star 15%. Then we press F4 on our keyboard, which should just be above the number 4, F4. That adds the dollar signs between C and 17. Pressing enter on that and dragging it down means that every bit of formula under here is going to keep C17 in mind. So you can see up here C8, C9, C10, but C17 is staying the same, which is good. That's what we're looking for.